Hello children, myself Shubhoy Patil Kulkarni. I am going to continue chapter 7 coordinate geometry. 7.3 exercise second way. 7.3 exercise second way. Second way meaning is in each of the following find the value of k variable for which the points are collinear. So now in that first question, 7 minus 2, 5, 1, 3k. I will find out the value of k. Children, the heading is in each of the following find the value of k for which the points are collinear. So they give 3 points coordinates for us. In this one variable is the k. I will find out the value of k. But these 3 points are collinear. Collinear means all of these 3 points are going to come in one single line. They are collinear means like this way it comes. So then the area of this collinear points will be 0. Area of triangle here is not formally. So area it becomes 0 when these 3 points are collinear. So let us point be A, B, C. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2, and this is x3, y3. Then here area of triangle becomes 0. So then I write the area of triangle formula. That is area of triangle ABC is equal to half of x1 into after this y2 minus y3 plus after x1 x2 2 after 2 y3 minus y1 plus after x2 x3 after x3 y1 minus y2. This is a formula to find out area of triangle ABC here. Here the points are collinear. Here 3 points are collinear. Therefore, area of triangle is equal to 0. So now I can write it here area of triangle value as 0. Substitute the values now in place of x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 values to substitute and simplify. We will get the value of variable k. Children, here I am going to substitute the values here. x1 value 7, y2 value 1, y3 value k, x2 is 5, y3 is k, y1 value is -2, then x3 value is 3, y1 value is -2, y2 is 1. Simplify now. So if I simplify, I am going to get it in this manner. 7 into 1 minus k plus 5 into k plus 2 minus it minus plus it becomes. Then 3 into minus 3. So if I simplify this once again, then I am going to get 7 into 7 plus into minus minus 7 into k 7k plus 5 into k 5k simplify now. If I simplify, 7, all numbers here. 10 minus 9 is 1. 1 plus 1 7 is 8. Minus 7k minus 5 plus 5k. So minus 2k it becomes then. So now I can take the common 2 now. Here I can take 2 common and I can substitute 2 if I take common out of these 2. Then 2 4s are k it comes. 2 to it get cancelled. It will be here 0. So then afterwards I have to find out the variable value k. So then I will write it first to this side. Other side I am going to write it in the other side. 4 minus k is equal to 0. 4 is equal to k. If it comes this side, it becomes plus k. So therefore, they told for us to find out the value of k. Here in this for this question, when these 3 points are collinear, I got the value of k as 4 children. Okay, write down children. Children, in this second we have the second question. So 2 questions are there in this way. Second question is in this manner. Second question is this. That is the vertices coordinates are h 1 k minus 4 2 minus 1. So here you let these 3 points be A, B, C. The coordinates will be x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Okay. So now, if these 3 points are collinear, see these 3 points means like this way. These 3 points are collinear means area of triangle becomes 0. Here, these 3 points are collinear. Collinear means they are coming in single line. These 3 points are collinear. Therefore, area of triangle will be 0. Area of triangle becomes 0. We have to apply here. See now area of triangle ABC becomes 0 here. And I am going to substitute the values. X1 value of this question is 8. Y2 means minus 4. Minus y3 means minus of minus 5. So then plus x2. x2 value is k here. y3 is minus 5. y1 is 1 plus x3 value is 2. y1 is 1. y2 is minus of minus 4. Substitute and simplify now. See now 0 is equal to half into 8 into minus 4 plus 5. Minus into minus plus. So k into minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6 plus 2 into 1 plus 4. So now if I simplify, I am going to get in this manner now. 8 into 5 minus 4 is 1. So minus into plus minus 6k. Plus 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 is 10. So if I simplify further, I am going to get 8 ones are 8 minus 6k plus 10. See here you observe in all these 3 terms, 2 is common. I can take out 2 as common. 2 4s are, 2 3s are, 2 5s are. So then 2 get cancelled. Then if I simplify, then I am going to get 0 is equal to 4 plus 5 is 9 minus 3k. Minus 3k you take it this side, it becomes plus 3k. 3k is equal to 9. K is equal to 9 by 3. 3 ones are 3 threes are. So I got the value of k as here 3. Okay children? In this main, what I explained today, so it depends on the formula area of triangle formula. So
So in coordinate geometry, we can use algebraic formula so to find out area of triangle when they have given for you 3 vertices coordinates. So here they mention all these 3 vertices coordinates are lying on one line. They are collinear means they are lying on one line. So if they are lying on one line, they will not form triangle. So area of triangle will become 0. So you have to remember this point. Here when they give you this question though, you have to write in place of area of triangle ABC 0 because these 4 points are collinear children. So here these 3 points are collinear means you have to understand and you have to substitute in the place of area of triangle 0 and you have to simplify and you will get a variable, that is the variable value, k value will be given children. So okay children, practice formula, and after practicing formula it becomes very easy for you. Write the formula, substitute the values and simplify, you get the variable value children. Okay children, thank you.